Good afternoon, welcome to Exit Through the Gift Shop. Today we're at the old mill site park in Port Moody, British Columbia. This is the home of the abandoned wreckage of a cedar mill which burnt to the ground in the late 1950s. In the late 1800s, construction of the Canadian Pacific Railway created a new demand for lumber, which was used to build buildings, bridges, trestles, and ties. Several new mills opened in Port Moody, including the McNair Shingle Mill. Port Moody was an attractive location because of easy access to large trees, which could be easily moved by water to the mill. Mills used beehive burners for burning waste sawdust. However, this created sparks which caused a risk of fire. It was quite common for neighboring buildings to have ladders for roof access so that any fires that started on the roofs could be put out. The beehive burners had screens on top to prevent burning debris from escaping, but that didn't stop several mills in the area from burning down, including the Canadian Pacific Lumber Mill and the Jackson Mill. The McNair Mill took the extra step of being constructed over water to avoid fires from spreading to the nearby forests, and to provide easy access to water to put out a fire if one should occur. Despite these precautions, the McNair Mill burnt to its foundations in 1959. In this interview, a witness describes how the fire was so large that he initially thought the mill next door was burning.
Had no function. We were here at that particular time, and that was we couldn't believe it. I can still, to this day, I saw the mill, the Burrard Cedar Mill, burning down with my own eyes. But really it wasn't. It was a mill on the other side. But it was right behind it, a little lower.
And that was McNair's.
McNair, yeah.
Yeah.
McNair.
The former mill location has been designated a park site, and visitors can still access the brick and concrete foundations at low tide. And this circular foundation is where the beehive burners once stood. If you look closely, you can still see the traces of char on the pilings. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining us to check out the ruins of the old mill site park. Remember to hit subscribe so you can stay up to date on all our latest adventures, and check out our interactive map to see other cool abandoned areas that we've already been to. Hope you're staying safe. Take care. For now, it's time to exit through the gift shop.